Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a 3x3 door, or 3x3 flush door, actually. And, well, I don't know what else to say here. I'm gonna show you how to connect a button up to it as well. So, for the first part, you're going to need a redstone block, a sticky piston, redstone dust, repeater, slime block, and a honey block, smooth stone, obsidian, and a lever to test to make sure it works. The smooth stone can be any block, it doesn't really matter, but as long as it's a smooth block, or not smooth, sorry, a full block. So this is the wall. You're gonna have your door. Make sure you have a 3x3 area taken out of the wall. And you're going to place sorry, can't speak right now. 3x2 of obsidian. I forgot to mention in the video, you're going to need a 7x11x7 space for this. So once you have the thing, you're going to have to put a 2x1 of obsidian on both sides, and then after that you're going to get temporary block, put it right here, and a sticky piston, and another temporary block, put it here, and a sticky piston. You're also going to put one there and there, sticky piston, temporary block, sticky piston on both sides. Get rid of the temporary blocks, and that's basically all the pistons you're going to need, except for two of them, which go down here. So you're going to place two sticky pistons here with redstone blocks on them, and make a T with redstone dust. So then you get smooth stone, put it over here, and don't place one there. Actually, you're going to place obsidian above that piston. Then you go below, place one there, and then go up one here. Make a little 3 tall staircase here for the redstone, and then get out a repeater, put one here, 3 ticks of delay, put one here, only one, redstone dust all the way down, and put a repeater here. I don't know why I put a T there, it's supposed to be like that. And make sure you put that repeater on 3 ticks delay as well. Now you're just going to repeat this on the other side. 3 ticks, staircase up, up one more, and put one there. Go over, obsidian, repeater on 3, dust all the way down. Now that is the first part almost done, actually, sorry. You're going to have a slime block shape, or slime blocks in the shape of C, and a T-shaped honey blocks, sideways T shape. I'm going to place the lever here, make sure it works, and it should line up with the other side. Go around and check it, and you're going to have to place smooth stone, or I'm going to place smooth stone here. It will later replace it to match up with the wall. You make sure that it actually closes all the way. So after this, we're going to move on to the second part, and I'm going to put these blocks back in my inventory. So for the second part, you're going to need a waxed copper bulb. It can really be any copper bulb, does not matter. Comparator, repeater, repeater, redstone dust, any button works, and a pressure plate, any pressure plate works. Smooth stone, which once again can be any block, can even be dirt. So for this, you're going to get a pressure plate there, and smooth stone below it with redstone, waxed copper bulb, and the redstone on top of that as well. And then you're going to make a T shape. Any block was fine. And make sure it doesn't cover those two redstone blocks, or else the machine will not work. I say machine, it's a door. Extend it 3 more times and make basically a 4x3 with 1 more on the side. Now place a pressure plate on there with a smooth stone connected up, or no, not connected to there. Gotta make sure it does not connect up to there so it doesn't interfere. So I'm going the wrong way here. I'm gonna wait. Right. So you go around and do not put one there. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm pretty sure it will mess with it. It might not, I don't know. Then you hook it up to the copper bulb and then test it. And you can really just do that if you want to. I don't know, but I'm putting it as a corner thing. Wait, don't test it yet. Actually, put a redstone dust with a comparator coming out of the copper bulb, then you can test it. Forgot about that part. Test both sides, make sure it works. This one works. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a repeater there. So I did record this video previously on my PlayStation, so that I can't really play while recording. I don't have a stand to do it with. So after this, you can test it. And now I'm gonna put a button on there. So you place a button, any button on the wall. Go to the other side of the wall. Don't know what I'm doing here. Place a button, or place redstone on the other side of the wall with, or no, smooth stone. I made the same mistake while taking the video. Smooth stone all the way down and redstone dust on top of that. And you're going to connect it up to the line that goes to the copper bulb. Now I'm going to test it, and it works. Both ways. Now, after that, I'm going to put stuff back in my inventory. And I'm actually going to close up the floor because I only had that like that so I could go and go under it easier. I don't know how to explain that, kind of. You go to place stuff there as well, the blocks. So then I'm going to replace these blocks with smooth stone real quick. And check and make sure it works still. Now, if you're going to put a hallway here, you're going to need some more obsidian. Make the same shape you made at the start with the obsidian, like the weird top hat looking thing. And get smooth stone, or the thing. Put 2 obsidian there, in there. Put 1 here. This can be any block actually. Can put 1 right here and here. Can actually be any block. I'm explaining here. Did not mean to activate that. And this one can also be any block. Does not matter. I just like to make it obsidian because, well, it looks nicer with the floor here. I'll put it back. See how it was real quick. And then you can just make the hallway. Make sure you not put a block here, 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 or here. Not one there, or over the redstone blocks once again. Put a obsidian block there as well. Once again, this can be actually any block, this one in the corner. But make sure you don't cover up those redstone blocks, because then the machine will not function. So you're going to put a circle here, and then just finish up the hallway with whatever block you're making out of, and it should work. There you go. That's how you make a door, 3x3 flush door. Now, I'm actually going to show you how to hook a button up to the other side real quick. It's very simple, actually. So if you want a button on both sides or want a button on one side, you can place the button right here, and another staircase going down into that with smooth stone, can be any block actually, and redstone on top of it, so that connects up to that line right there, this line of redstone. And yeah, I'm going to test it real quick, and it works. So that's how you make a 3x3 flush door. Thanks for watching. I'll probably make more tutorials in the future. Goodbye.